Hi everyone. This lecture is on uh, a lead point sign on fetal echo, namely the fetal right chamber dominance, otherwise called the disproportionate ventricles, and sonographic differential diagnosis of this condition on prenatal uh, sonography. So this lecture will be covered under the headings of technique of fetal echo and normal appearance of the ventricles and biometry, definition of uh, the lead point sign of disproportionate ventricles, which can be obvious or subtle, where biometry becomes important, conditions of causing presenting as disproportionate ventricles, protocol for differential diagnosis and uh, conditions of disproportionate ventricles in third trimester in specific, besides second trimester. So all this will be covered in this lecture. If you would like to listen to this lecture, please log on to sonoshare.in. Thank you.